Hi, I'm Candace Gray, and I just wanted to talk about my experience attending the Divine Rhythms workshop. I really enjoyed this experience. I love the fact that it was a very intimate group, that it was a small group setting, and we were able to be very interactive. This was not just another webinar that you kind of sit through passively, but it was really extraordinarily valuable to me at this time that I sat through it. One of my biggest takeaways when I think about, where I was before listening and participating in this webinar and where I was after is that I have just such a greater amount of clarity about the direction that I need to go in from this point in time. But not only do I have clarity, but I have hope in my ability to really make true progress. So many times I hear a lot of different ideas and they're great ideas, but I really don't know how I'm going to implement that. So I really have a lot of hope about being able to make some progress on my goals. So if I think about what my top three takeaways were from the workshop in general, I would say one thing was this concept started off identity aligned success. And that's something that really resonated with me because sometimes I hear people when they're talking about different means of success, but it really is not, doesn't align with my identity. So I love that we started off talking about that and that being the objective of what we're trying to achieve. The second thing that was really valuable for me was going through this exercise of kind of doing kind of our headlines for the next year and then backtracking from that on, what were the steps that led us to be able to accomplish those things that we did in our headlines. And so that was a really valuable exercise, not only gain clarity on vision, but then to really start to establish next steps. And then the other thing, I would say my third takeaway was just the concept of incorporating rest into my plans, because so many times I go, 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 and I'm doing a lot of different things, whether it is, in my work life, in my church life, in my business life, and I'm doing so many things. And then I kind of get to a point of just being depleted. And so building in rest into the plans was something that I thought was just really valuable to talk about. Very grateful to Kelly and Sarah for leading us through just some extremely valuable information, and just look forward to participating more in the future.